Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily play Minecraft in full screen on your PC. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now as you can see here we have the Minecraft launcher, and throughout the launcher what you want to do, you want to select the version of Minecraft that you want to play and simply go and press play. Now from out here what will happen is it will open up the game and let's wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see here it opens in a windowed mode. Now what we want to do, we want to play full screen, so it's very easy. I'm going to make it a bit larger. Simply go into the options in the main menu, and from out here we go to the video settings right below skin customization, and here we scroll down till we see the full screen option. As you can see it's turned off. Simply press on and now it's in a full screen. Now from out there you can simply start to play, and now every time you open up Minecraft it's in full screen. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.